Welcome to Excel Made Cool by Rolly. Okay, this is my first video in 2021, so I'm wishing everyone Happy New Year and stay focused on our lessons. I know the festive period is over, but celebration continues and learning also continues. So try to learn something new today. Okay, today our topic will be mail match guide. So here I'll be showing you how to how to link your Excel data to a Word document. Okay, and basically this is to show you how you can extract data from your Excel to the Word page. Okay, and make your work simpler and easier. What are the uses of this match mailing? Okay, mostly people use the match mailing to do invoicing or collect individual data. Okay, and generally they collect individual reports from data Excel data sheet on a spreadsheet to on a Word document to for presentation or for a query or for just a report. I mean, in general. Then the next is invoicing. Like your billings, always they have report recorded in an Excel sheet, and this recorded report from an Excel sheet can be generated individually, like per person, in a Word page on a Word document, and many others. You can use this to make CVs of staff, or you can use this to generate information of your staff individually. If mostly used by HR, the HR department, if they have the information of their staff, they can easily make their CVs, and it will be easier, especially companies dealing with the manpower, like manpower entities. They can use this to generate CVs, and which is more easy. You can, on your Word page, you can design it as much as you want, or in any way you want. I will show you that later. So guys, let's move to the practical. Okay, stay tuned, we'll be back. Moving on, we have some data recorded in an Excel sheet right here, and we are going to create a form in a Word page that will enable us and link this Word page to the Excel sheet in order to enable us collect more information from this Excel sheet simply by search. Okay, so let's open a blank Word page. Now we are on a blank Word page. Okay, the first thing we have to do is get to the mailings. Once you click on mailings, you see all these options are not open. They are not accessible because this page is not linked to any Excel sheet yet, and these ones allow you to link your page to an Excel sheet. So first thing we'll have to do, let's create a table to make our work look nicer. Let's create a table in a Word page. We'll insert a table. Okay, okay, on this table we have options like the name which we are looking for. Here we had in our Excel sheet, what are we looking for exactly? There is an ID number, then we have name. Okay, we have further informations like country. Okay, and that means nationality. Then we have contact. You might not necessarily use the table form. It depends on which form you want to use. Any form which you want to use is better for you. I prefer to use the table form because it looks more presentable. and you can put the letterhead, you can put watermarks on your word page. You can design it as best way as you can. In future I'm going to use this. I will go through a very long tutorials with you guys, and I'm going to use this and make to make CVs, like curriculum vitae, for all the staffs of a company. You see, since the HR always save information of the staff, these informations can be used to generate the CV, the staff CV, individual CV. So once you have the information of your staffs, like in a thousand staffs, you cannot be making CV one by one for each staff. You have your informations, their informations recorded in an Excel sheet. As they arrive, you record their information as usual. You need to know your staffs. So these informations, you just need to link them on a word page, then use the match mail system or match mail styles to get all these CVs, and it makes your work much easier. In less than 10 minutes, you can generate thousands of CVs. Okay, let's get back to this. Now let's try to link this to the page. First, we'll select recipient. Since we already have an Excel sheet with the data, we'll use an existing list. Okay. My Excel sheet was saved in the Excel tutorial. You see, mail match. Always try to make sure you know where your Excel sheet is saved exactly, and make sure the first row of your Excel sheet should always represent the topic or the titles or the main titles of the content. Okay, let's open this, give it some seconds. Now you see it's selected. It's only this one sheet that is in that Excel sheet, only this one page. So this has been selected. What you do on this query, just say okay if that is what you're really looking for. Automatically you will see all these informations are open for you. These options are open for you. But right now it's just connected to the Excel sheet, but the specific informations cannot be extracted. For you to be able to extract the specific informations, you have to follow these steps. Just get to insert match field. When you go to insert match field, here on ID, let's insert the ID number. Okay, and here just make sure you put the cursor exactly where you want the information to be displayed. If your cursor is blinking here, means your information will be displayed here. And this place we're looking for the name, so let's select the name. Here we are looking for country, so we'll select the nationality. Here we are looking for contact, so let's select contacts. And now you will have something like this. This is just to show you that these topics will be displayed as soon as you preview your result. So for us to be able to see the names, ID, country, contacts, let's preview our result. If you don't do this, you will not be able to see what you're looking for. Exactly. And whenever you preview your result, you will have the first person after the first row, after your topic, after your title, the titled row, you will have the first person, just the person below that. And this information which are below, you can change. You can get the next line, you see, as they're changing. Here you can get the next. And as easy as it is, you can also search. You do a search. When you search, find recipient. When you go to find recipient, which recipient are you looking for? You can find by name, by ID number. Okay, let's start by the name. Once you find by ID number, let's start it by ID number. Here we have ID number 1103. So let's type 1101. Who was this person? Once you click on enter, you have Greg. 1101 Greg from Philippines. This is his mobile number. And if you go to 1107 and you click on enter, you have 1107 Candy from Nigeria. This is her mobile number. So this is how it is. You can also search by name. Let's try the name. I will use my name since it's the easiest that I know of. Roland. Okay, once you search Roland, you see this is 1112 Roland from France, and this is the mobile number. This is how easy this is, and you can use this in so many things. You can generate your report, your invoices, as I mentioned earlier, and you can make CVs for your staff. You can make a whole lot of things, but most importantly, to pull out individual report from an Excel data sheet. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.